hall. Footsteps echo, rise and fall. Whispers in the dark, so small. Things that go bump in the night. Windows rattle, doors do creak. Heart beats fast, can't even speak.